Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to MetaMask. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to connect Trust Wallet to MetaMask, then the process is quite simple. Simply tap open your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Tap on the settings button in the bottom right hand corner and tap on wallets option from the settings menu. Tap the info button right next to your main wallet and tap on show secret phrase. Check all of the boxes over here and tap on continue again. Now copy your secret phrases by tapping on copy. Tap on copy one more time. And now tap open your MetaMask wallet application. Once you open up your MetaMask wallet app, tap on import using secret recovery phrase option. Now in the first text box, paste in the recovery phrase that you copied from your Trust Wallet. Go to the next field where it says new password and create a new password for your MetaMask wallet. Confirm your password on the next field by retyping it again and tap on import button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you have successfully imported your Trust Wallet to MetaMask. Tap on done, and that's how it is done. I hope you learned how to connect Trust Wallet to MetaMask with these quick simple steps. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.